Dear students, related to quadratic equation, one more statement problem I have taken. So the question is, find the two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. So here we need to find two numbers. How the two numbers are? They are consecutive numbers, and sum of whose squares is 365. So that means first we need to choose the two consecutive integers. Let the first integer is x. Its consecutive integer is, already we know that, next number. So next number how we are going to get? By adding 1 to the previous. So these two are the required consecutive integers. So according to question, sum of whose squares means these two numbers square sum, x square and x plus 1 whole square, that is equal to 365. Now x square write as it is. This one you should expand with a plus b whole square formula, don't forget. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to 365. X square plus x square, that is 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 365. So now 2x square plus 2x plus 1 write as it is. Shift this to LHS, that becomes minus 365, that is equal to 0. Nothing but 2x square plus 2x minus 364 equal to 0. So all these three terms are divisible by 2. So then you are going to get x square plus x minus 182. 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 2s are. So in the previous problem you know how to factorize the 182 the number. So that is 14 and 13 are the required numbers. So carefully give the sign to the two factors. We need plus 1 here, so therefore give plus to bigger number. So then you are going to get x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equal to 0. So now take out x as common factor, x plus 14. Here minus 13 you take outside, x remain, and this minus become plus because minus we took outside, that is 14 times equal to 0. Then equate separately to 0. X plus 14 common once again, x minus 13 equal to 0. So x plus 14 equal to 0, x minus 13 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 14, x is equal to plus 13. So this number you should not consider because in the question only they have given the two consecutive numbers are positive. So therefore this is negative, don't consider. So therefore the required numbers are 13 and 14 because this is x and x plus 1. This is x, this is nothing but x plus 1. Right. Students, now I am going with the next problem. The next problem is, the altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. So it is related to right angle triangle. Just to draw a right angle triangle. Altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. So this is the altitude. Altitude is less than the base, means base is the unknown. So that base you take as x. So then you can write directly the altitude, that is 7 cm less. So that is x minus 7. And hypotenuse they have given, directly you can write 13 cm. So what we have written, let the base we have taken as x, therefore its altitude becomes x minus 7 because that is 7 centimeter less. Hypotenuse given. So once again it is very clear that whenever the right angle triangle given, so usually we have to apply Pythagoras relation. By applying Pythagoras relation, so we know that AC square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So that is 13 square is equal to x minus 7 the whole square plus x square. So then 13 square already you know that is 169. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So by applying that relation we can get x square minus 2 times x into 7 plus 7 square plus x square remains as it is. So 169 is equal to here on x square, here on x square, that is 2x square minus 14x plus 49, that is 7 square. 2x square minus 14x I have written as it is along with 49, and this 169 I shifted to RHS, that becomes minus 169. So if you keep on simplifying this, 2x square minus 14x minus, this is bigger number minus, so minus 120 is equal to 0. So once again divisible by 2, x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. We need to find the factors of 60. So the two convenient factors or right factors are 12 5s are, because give minus to 12 and plus to 5, 12 minus 5 are going to get 7. Already I told you know how to find. So write like this 60 and continuously divide and make into two groups. So then you are going to get the right factors. So if you know directly you can write 12 5s are. So then the equation we can write as 12x plus 5x and minus 60 right as it is. Once again the common factor for these two, x remaining is x minus 12. Here take out 5 as common factor, x minus 12. 12 means 5 divides 60 12 times. So once again x minus 12 you take out as a common factor. So remaining is x plus 5, that is equal to 0. So x minus 12 equal to 0 and x plus 5 equal to 0. Here x value becomes minus 5. Here x value is 12. So therefore any length weight always should be positive. Therefore x value have to consider as 12. That is, what is that x? That is the base. So base is 12 centimeter. However, the hypotenuse they have given, and the other side is, that is altitude. Altitude is 12 minus 7, that is 7 centimeter less than the base, that is 5 centimeter. Maybe you can understand. Thank you.